The snowstorm howled with full force. Visibility was near zero. Michael, his hands frozen, looked at his little daughter one last time. "I will save you," he said, trying to hide the tremor in his voice. His wife, Sarah, held their daughter, Emma, tightly, too weak to even wipe away her tears. With his last bit of strength, Michael brought the radio to his mouth. "Coordinates. South of the bungalow trail. Hurry," he whispered before collapsing under the snow. The family was enjoying a peaceful vacation at the hotel's mountain bungalow. The weather was sunny and clear. From the bungalow window, they could see the hotel building down below. In the morning, they decided to take their snowmobile down to the main hotel area. Michael checked the GPS device and mapped out their route. Everything seemed fine. Sarah and Emma eagerly waited to set off. As they set off, the weather gradually worsened. Snowflakes swirled in the wind, reducing visibility. However, the hotel lights were still visible in the distance. Michael reassured them, "Don't worry, we'll reach the hotel soon," but the storm intensified rapidly. Even the hotel lights faded into the white abyss. As they navigated the narrow, snow-covered path, their snowmobile suddenly hit a fallen tree and came to an abrupt stop. The snowmobile was stuck, its engine dead. Inside, the temperature dropped rapidly. Michael handed the GPS device to Sarah and said, "Take this. If we get a signal, they can locate us." He took the low battery radio and looked at Sarah. "I have to find help." Fear was evident in Sarah's eyes. Emma, wrapped in a blanket, silently cried. Michael stepped out into the raging snowstorm, leaving his family behind. Michael struggled through the blinding blizzard, his breath heavy. In the distance, he caught a faint glimpse of the hotel lights. But then, a deep cracking sound echoed through the snow. The ground beneath him shifted. A massive snowdrift was collapsing. With his last ounce of strength, he pulled out his radio and tried to send a distress signal. "Coordinates. South of the bungalow. Hurry." His voice faded as the snow buried him. The rescue team picked up Michael's signal and immediately mobilized. When they reached the snowmobile, they found Sarah and Emma cold and weak but alive. Emma's voice was faint but filled with hope. "Where's my dad?" The rescue team couldn't answer, but Sarah remembered Michael's last words over the radio. "I will save you."